Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 25th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is pulling back a little bit more, 16 cents down. That's 1.63% down. Closed at 968. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we pulled back on Friday, quite a big pullback, and we are pulling back also today. But now we seem to be slowing down a little bit. So we have a longer wick at the bottom and almost no wick at the top. It looks like we are bouncing a little bit on 946. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. The first hour of the day was where we had most of our move down. Then it was pretty much sideways the whole day and moving up a little bit towards the end of the day. So we don't have stochastic yet on this 1 hour chart. And on the daily chart, we also have last stochastic last Friday. Everything else is very good. So maybe we are bouncing on this 946, which would coincide also with this upward support, which would also coincide with this 21-day exponential moving average that I'm adding to all of my chart. I want to start using this moving average as a support, and it's supporting the price quite well. Yes, it breaks it sometimes, but it's supporting also. So we can use that moving average as support on top of our resistance lines and support line. The more supports we have, the better our conviction will be when we are going to want to take a trade. So this is something that you are going to start seeing on my charts, so don't be surprised. Let's briefly look at the VIX. VIX was coming down nicely. Now we seem to be breaking out a little bit, like we did not too long ago. So maybe this is just a case of a double resistance kind of thing. And let's hope that we are going to be caving in a little bit. What's nice is that this breakout was only during the day. So we closed back inside. And if we go look at the 1 hour chart, we dropped quite dramatically on the last hour, which helped Palantir on the last hour move back up. Maybe this was just a little bit of a scare for VIX. Looking at Dow Jones, so Dow Jones is doing well. It's closing a little bit higher than on Friday. SPX basically going sideways. Nasdaq is pulling back. Let's hope that we are going to stop at 11,674. It would be a nice pullback because this was a wedge here and we broke outside of it. And if we just jump on this support here, that would be the best case scenario. The second best case scenario is that we come down a little bit more and bounce on this thing here to start moving back up again. And Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same thing. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.